need you to oil this man, right now! I need you to oil this man, right now!
Wee, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Morning. Oh, my hype train. What is this disturbance? Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
You to oil this man right now.
What the hell? Oh, Robbie. What's going on? Sorry, I was, Yo, Robbie, thank you for the 5 bomb, bro. No, for the 6. No. Wait. Thank you for the 5 bomb and gifting a sub to also DDH1 me. Oximo Ronald, thank you for the 3 months, my bro. And Robbie with the 4. Yo, holy cow, we just started. Morning, guys. Sorry, I had to measure up my almonds. Good morning, guys. I just had to test it. Wait, test what? Also, guys, I lost a bit to my tripod, and this camera is stuck to the tripod with sellotape. So yeah, bit of DIY went on this morning, but it's working. Okay, it's working. How are we? Hope everyone was well. Sorry I was away yesterday because I went to the doctor's. I booked myself a health check. Why? Just because. Yeah, I booked myself a health check to make sure, you know, I did it. And because, you know, with the loss of my tutor, that made me do it too. Just going to get myself checked, you know, done bloods and everything, and just gotta wait now. And I encourage every single one of you to do the same as well. You just never know, you know, there's nothing wrong with looking after your body as well. So yeah, that's what I was up to yesterday. But yeah, I encourage you all to go and get a health check, just to be safe, you know. You never know. Kia ora ngā Zev, ka te pēhea koe. Thank you very much for gifting some subs, my bro. Morena, guys. We are on relatively early today. Sorry, I just had to go and see my cousin too. What's up as well, Umix? I had to go and see my cousin this morning too and swap some ushies. The ushies have been going pretty hard, eh? They've been going pretty hard. How are we all doing, guys? Alrighty. So where we will start today was on the head, okay? We'll start about here. We've prepped this side. Prepped everything over here. Now we do the same on the face. I mean, there are still some little tidbits that we could clean up. Hope everyone's doing well though, whānau. Once again, Robbie and the other bro as well for subbing to the channel. Just remember that the sub goal is for the baby, okay? It's not for me. The cold weather be cold, and at the moment it's not a bad day today, temperature wise. Yeah, the temperature is not too bad today. Hope everyone had a solid Monday and Tuesday. My flights are all booked for America next month, so we're all booked and ready to go as well. Mark Fitz, thank you very much for the follow, my bro. Sleepy, oh, Oximo, don't stay up late for me, my brother. I want you to have a good night's rest too. Just finished your videos of you making a joke about some dude's height. Oh yeah. Spots with the X's, are those spots? Yeah, so the reason why I've done this is just with a Phillips screwdriver. I'll be honest, it's just to bring more emphasis to the carving. I'll probably put a bit more on because I felt like I was a bit too nice when we could, you know, cover it a bit more. So we'll do that. Man, I'm really keen to go fishing this weekend. I'm already thinking about the weekend. really keen to go fishing this weekend. Just to get out there and do it. Where you gonna be fishing? I might go to Thornton. Been doing breeding on the Power World server. My chains are popping off, and I got Egelon and his Ignis version. Nice, bro. I love Egelon, eh? I think Egelon is my favorite pal. Coming off, you know, House of the Dragons and all that. Yeah, it's absolutely, yeah, I absolutely love that pal, bro. Yeah, I haven't really dabbled in the power world lately. I've just been, yeah, doing IRL things. I celebrated my daughter's birthday on Monday. Yeah, she's 8 now. Bloody hell. yeah, I know which one's Zev. Yeah, I was like, his fire version, because he does... Wait, he does more damage in the Ignis version? True. Have you still grinding the hard battles, my bro? Wow, you must have a stacked ass base now. I must come and visit your server when I have some free time, my bro. Yeah, I was supposed to read some Lord of the Rings last night, but my body just crashed out, eh? Said go to sleep. I was keen to read though, I won't lie. I was keen as to read. I've been looking at all the Hobbit cards, eh, from MTG, and bro, they're clean. You remind me every day that keep chasing what you love, and yeah, bro, keep going for it, brother. Only you can get there. Yeah, bro, kids are definitely growing up. How are you finding Lord of the Rings books? The only hard part about the books is probably some of the words, but I loved it. So we finished The Hobbit a while ago. One of my favourite parts in The Hobbit book, if we recap on the whole thing, was probably towards the end, when Bilbo's leaving and he turns around to the Lonely Mountain and he, you know, says goodbye to Thorin and all of them. That hit me pretty hard, eh? When we read that bit, because they didn't put that in the movie, and yeah, I kind of just imagined the whole scene, and yeah, it hit me pretty hard. That was probably my favourite part in the entire book. Yeah, that section there. I loved it, and now we're on Fellowship. Are you going live tomorrow? Yep. I usually go live around 9 o'clock. Yeah, 9 o'clock, my bro. Okay. Let's start on the mouth. Did you see they're remastering that Lord of the Rings turn-based game too? What part are you up to? Yeah, so we're just on chapter 3. Chapter 3, my bro. So not too far in. Not too far in, my bro. So yeah, I think we need to get back to that. I don't think Bilbo's even... Oh, Frodo's even left yet. Yeah, huge Lord of the Rings fan, my bro. I love it. My wife wants to take me to Hobbiton for my birthday next month, and I'm pretty excited about that. I've never been. You know what's worse? I live 40 minutes away from Hobbiton as well. Yeah, it's that close to Rotorua, and I've never been. And like... I've been here since 2009 in Rotorua. Yeah, so I want to vlog all of that too, and just enjoy it, eh? Obviously I'm going to do the part of Bilbo when he's running out of the Shire. Yeah, bro, I'm excited. And yeah, W wife for thinking of that. W wife, brother. What's the best place to visit? It kind of depends what you like. Obviously, for me, I'm more of a scenic person, so I enjoyed my time in Queenstown. I was that guy. I even YouTubed what they had in their gift shop. Going to Hobbiton is a dream of mine. Yeah, bro. Even me, bro. What makes it worse is how close it is. Even Weta down in Wellington, I'd love to go there, eh? Because they did some work on Dota as well. But I was thinking of going to Miami. Oh, true. Whew. Have fun with that. That's just Australia and America. I love watching your videos. Hey, thank you, brother. So we'll try and bang this out. It does good. Yeah, I agree, brother. The Handful Golem movie will be made next year. Yeah, they just started filming, eh? I saw, what's his name? I don't know his name, like his real name, but I just know his movie role name's Caesar. Hey, Caesar just started filming. He dropped a video of him with all his stuff on. But yeah, before I go to Hobbiton, I gotta rewatch Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit. I know a lot of people didn't like The Hobbit as much as Lord of the Rings, but man, I love them both, eh? They're both cool. My favourite character on The Hobbit is Dane Ironfoot. See when he rolls up on his kune on his pig? Oh bro, he's the man. And even the tusks in his beard, bro, absolute class. Thank you very much to Hugo Correia for the Optimus Prime. Kia ora, my bro. Oh, for the tier 1, sorry. Welcome through, brother. Welcome, good sir. Thank you very much for the brand new tier 1. No mai haere mai. What that bird said. No mai haere mai. Welcome, my bro. My name is Brox. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver, and I've been doing this traditional art form of my people since the age of 12. I am now 34 years old, turning 35 next month. I enjoy free food, because you know, nothing wrong with eating something that you don't pay for. Not stealing, by the way. Yeah, me too, Yeti. The fact it's Billy Connolly made it so. Yeah, bro. He made it so much better. Let's see if he's still smirking, man. Yeah, I like Dane Ironfoot. Who else do I like in the main group? Obviously Thorin. Thorin's the man. Thorin and Dwalin and Bompa. I like Bompa as well. Out of all the dwarves, and obviously my favorite character in the whole franchise, universe, whatever you want to call it, the man himself, Gandalf. I was teasing my wife. Too, like, when we go to the gift shop, I was like, oh, if they got Gandalf stuff, I might buy it. She goes, that's a stick. I was like, it's the stick. I'm not gonna get it, but yeah, I just wanted to wind my wife up. And was worth it. I went to Hobbiton 3 months ago. It was amazing. Really? Yo, that's cool. What was your favorite thing about it, my bro? Did you do the normal tour or the behind the scenes? I'll be honest, I'll probably just be happy with the normal tour. The normal tour will be suffice for me. Yeah, but I was like, it's the stick. Did you see someone pulled that Smaug card from the MTG Hobbit stuff too? Bro, it's so clean, eh? Get to go inside the Hobbit homes. Yeah, I want to have a feed there. I want to eat some food there too. There was a cool part video. A couple had their wedding there, and what's his name? Elijah. Elijah was there at the same time, and he pulled up to the wedding. That was cool. Apparently, it's $5,000 to book the venue out to have your wedding there. Because I remember seeing it, and then I looked at my wife, and she said no. I was like, oh. Would have been cool though. You could hold Gandalf staff for photos at Hobbiton. It's the one they use in the movies too. Wait, really? Oh. I done the normal one. My partner came to visit from Canada, so it was a must. Oh, true. Is it a real stick too? Okay, just, yeah, for curious reasons, is Gandalf staff in Hobbiton real? If it is, kind of want to sniff the wood to see what it is, if it's native or not. I'll be disappointed if it's not timber. That's just what I'll do, okay? Just see what wood it is. If it's not, man, I'm gonna be like, no. It's kind of disappointing. Probably like fiberglass, eh? Very cozy. Oh yeah, because they got evening tours as well, eh? Those are pretty cool. I'm that guy. I researched the whole place. I'm Hobbiton mid-maxing right now. Researching the place. Before we go. That's how excited I am. Thank you, Tucker. Evening is mean and you get dinner too? Ooh. What kind of dinner is it? Is it like those hearty ones off the movie? I was watching this one Renaissance Fair video on YouTube, and just some of the food they have, bro. I'd love to go to one of those just to eat. I think it is, but honestly, I couldn't tell you. They have an entire fake tree there too. You get to have a free drink from the bar. Their food at the bar is amazing too. Ooh, okay. Hearty roast with potatoes. Now that's my kind of dinner, bro. Hearty roast. With some hearty veggies. Like when I went to the WoW Classic thing for Wrath of the Lich King, it was at this restaurant called what the fuck was it called? I think it was called Valhalla. It's this Viking this Viking styled or themed restaurant. And oh bro, I was in heaven, because they came out with like fish, not like, you know, dainty looking fish. It was just like mean big fish, or they look like they've been cooked over a fire. Even some meat as well was real. I was like, oh yes, potatoes, everything, like just hearty meals, And some of them were like, ooh, I don't know if I can eat that. I was like, give it here. They're like, do you like this, Brooks? I was like, this is fine dining. What do you mean? I was in heaven, man. And we were drinking out of horns as well, so I was like, fuck. And eating bone marrow. Fuck, that was nice. That was freaking nice. Also, shout out to Uncle Roddy, the Ruin. He's like, bam, that's a true fucking from the north. And he's like, ah! Bro, Roddy the Ruin is the man. I love him, bro. So fight now, die later. Okay. Did you watch it? Uncle Roddy is him, man. Would you ever do a trip to visit some of the Lord of the Rings movie sites? Yeah. I mean, why not? I live in Middle Earth. Yeah, bro. I'd be so keen to do YouTube videos of that, because I'm planning to obviously video Hobbiton and put it on YouTube. But yeah, bro, if I can go around to all the sites around the country, I'll definitely do it. Definitely, as a Lord of the Rings fan. He's the maddest man. Yeah, bro. I love it, I love dudes that are like that, or characters. I am gonna be sad next season when all the, you know, with all the dragons and everything. My favorite is Caraxes. From the ones in the show. Yeah, my noodle boy Caraxes. I actually had an idea of carving a Manaya in the form of Caraxes too, because, you know, he has like the shapes and forms that I could use in a Manaya. So yeah, could be a little fun project for us to do in the future, because I'm planning on stopping on commissions for, but just to improve some more. Okay, I don't know if this will change your opinions on me, but you know, when the Rodster is walking is walking in their battle and that one kid clubs him in the leg and he just turns around and one-shots him. Hand over heart. I laughed at that. If you think I'm fucked up for that, that's fine. That is fine. Because it was still funny. He just turned around and... All you had to do was not touch him and he would have left you alone. Instead, he took a headshot. Arrow to the... Yeah, bro. It was cool, it was cool having some more Silver Wing screen time as well. And I like what they did with Sunfire too. Oh my gosh. How's the morning treating you? It's not cold this morning, so it's a good morning, my bro. Bro, would you ever try to carve Gandalf's staff but your own version? I probably could, to be honest. Coming here after a while, damn dude, you look different. Lost lots of weight. Yeah, my bro. So we have lost quite a bit of weight, my bro. I started doing a calorie deficit back in October, and I was sitting at 119. I've gained a little bit. I'm sitting at like 123 now. So I think there's a bit of meat on the frame now instead of insulation. But I will say though, fuck, it's cold, eh? It's cold. It's cold, bro. You know, not having so much insulation through the winter, but it'll pay off in the summer. Yeah, him and Aegon match up pretty... Yeah, that's what I like about it, eh? I don't like Aegon the character, I think he's a fuckhead, but, you know. Still pretty cool. He's still pretty cool. I'm alive. Also, where did Vhagar go? Does she go to like bingo or something? Are you taking commissions? Not at this moment. Like, I'm actually doing a commission and a commission right now. My current one that I was supposed to be doing is almost done, but then my cousin turned up and asked me to do a 21st key for my nephew. It's his birthday next month. But I figured, you know, the faster I get this done, the faster I get back to our stuff. Yeah, our current carving is Heitiki. I've done like 2 commissions within that. It's been pretty hectic, but yeah, I can't say no to the family. I don't even do 21st keys anymore. So this is the first one I've done in years. Yeah, I would say years. Yeah, I'm alive. It's the way he said it, eh? Because it was Eamon that torched him, eh? With Vhagar. Hope you've been... How long have you been wood carving for? Since the age of 12, my brother. Yeah, that's how long I've been within this discipline for. So the reason why I've stayed in it so long is because Whakairo is actually part of our culture. The Maori culture. We're the indigenous people of Aotearoa, New Zealand. And so, yeah, this has been something that started from the age of 12 back in school. So my uncle who's unfortunately gone, was the one that kind of introduced me to this realm. And before I even started doing Whakairo, I actually wanted to be a zookeeper. A zookeeper or work at the art department in Blizzard. But yeah, life gave me something else, and we went on another path, and I love it. I've always had a massive love for my culture, so it wasn't hard to transition into something else for me. Like, my goals changed at that age. So yeah, now I am 34, my bro, 34 years old. From the age of 12 when we started. That's really cool. Thank you, brother. Yeah, if you have any questions about it too, my bro, just ask. I'm here for you, my bro. Yeah, so just to give a little insight too, with our culture, we didn't have a written language. We were more of an oral culture, so like speaking face to face was the main one for us, and I mean it still is today. It is still, you know, a preferred way of communication. Even for me, I'd rather, you know, talk to people face to face. And it was a form of storytelling too. So that's why, you know, within Whakairo we only ever carved our ancestors. And I mean, we still do to this day. And so, with that being said, you know, it kind of depends on who you carve, like who's the person you're going to be carving, and then the stories start from there, or the conversations that are had. So is there different types of wood you use? Yeah, so within our country, my bro, multiple different types of native, ideally, that we love to use. Now this is Kauri, Kauri. This is a yellow pine, native. You'll mainly find this timber up north, in the northern parts of the country, up in the Kauri kingdom there. Now in the southern hemisphere we have the largest native tree, known as Tane Mahuta. So this tree was named after our god of the forest, and it's the largest Kauri tree ever. So same timber as this as well. And then we have Tōtara as well, which is a native red pine, and it's much softer than this too. I hear we're going to work together at PAX. Yeah, brother Nikachute. Yeah, my bro. I'm going to come to PAX, my bro. I'll be there. I'm so happy that the bro got approved too. Should be good.
I need you to oil this man right now.
Thank you very much, brother Danny Boy, for gifting a sub to Lil Pizzle. Thank you very much, good sir. How you been, Nikachute? Hope everything is well, my bro. Hope the server has been going well. And life too. So, what is Tōtara? So we have other timbers that are much more denser too, like this. This is Rata, R-A-T-A. It's a hardwood. This is a very special mallet to me. This was my tutor's mallet, and he was throwing it out one day because he didn't want it. And this was on my first day as well. He's the second carving tutor I ever had in my life, and I asked him if I could have it. And this is pretty much the last physical memory I have of his. Unfortunately, yeah, I've even lost my carving tutor that taught me in the more recent years too, to health issues. That's why I went to the doctor yesterday to get a health check, because of him. So yeah, there's many different types of timber we have. We have this one called Maori, M-A-I-R-E. Has a very distinctive smell. Very distinctive smell. Now, if you have ever eaten asparagus and gone to the toilet for a number one, that's exactly what that timber smells like. Yeah, smells like the urinicals. But I will say it has the most beautiful grain ever. It looks like caramel on a cheesecake that has a white topping. You know, you tip, caramel on the top and then you swirl it and all that stuff. That's what the grain of Maori looks like. But yeah, many other trees that we use, like these days, you know, for me personally, I can't be fussy. Whatever I get my hands on, brother, I'll just carve that. Majority of the time. My first ever carvings I ever done were made out of pine from an old, on stream, sorry. Were made out of pine from an old coffee table. This was just before COVID. I was doing a job for my previous employers and they're throwing this coffee table out and I was like, boom, I can see my carvings in that table, give it here. So I made love to that coffee table via chainsaw and we got our first carvings out of it that we did on Twitch. And funny story, I'm going to revisit those carvings soon. Yeah, going to see what they look like. I haven't seen them in 6 years. So it'll be good to go and see what they look like now. That's awesome. I'm going to head to bed. All good. I know it's late over there, my bro, but thank you very much for tuning in. I usually go live around the same time every day, my bro. Monday to Friday, sorry. Weekends are for me and my wife and kids. But I do dabble with the odd nighttime stream as well. So if I do go live tonight, I'll probably stay away from games and just read Lord of the Rings. Also, there's a bit of a call out. I know EA's not really around anymore. But can someone remake Lord of the Rings, The Twin Towers and Return of the King, please? Would be nice, you know. Peak games back in the day. And yeah, while everyone's arguing about other games, can you do a remake of those two? Because they were, in the words of Homelander, they were perfect. Perfect. Down to the last detail. Perfect. I haven't even seen The Boys, by the way. Yeah, man. Give me that remaster any day, brother. It's never touched that Hobbit game ever.
I need you to oil this man.
Oh, that's right. I remember that Hobbit game. Yo, Kuda Muda. Thank you for the 5-bomb, brother. Thank you very much, kind sir. If you did get that gifted sub, please give our brother a thank you. Or glaze him harder than a Krispy Kreme donut, please, father. Thank you very much, Kuda. Thank you, my bro. Those went out to Weird Crusader. Potu, bro. The one. Chopper 100 shots and Blender file. Kia ora, my bro. You ever played the Fellowship game? No, I never played it. We, once again, never had the money to play it. Oh, was it bad? True. So I'm gonna have to go ham and try lose some kgs. Bro, it's all at your own pace, brother Nickachude. All at your own pace, my bro. That's how I done my deficit, just at my own pace. Yeah, I remember that one Hobbit game. I never played it, but I just remembered seeing the case all the time. Hey, thank you, Blender. Every time I tried to hide from the ring wraiths and Hobbiton, get caught and just rage quit. Is that from the Fellowship one? Question, are those even on Steam? Or are they too old? Yeah, are they on Steam at all? What's up, Suffer? What's the time? It is 9:37. Okay. Yeah, are they even on Steam at all? What are you carving? We're just carving the Manaya section of this 21st key, my bro, for my nephew. He turns 21 next month, and I don't normally do 21st keys anymore. I just want to make that clear before I get 20 million messages asking to do 21st keys. Yeah, I don't really do keys anymore, but this one's for the nephew. Yeah, but they should be on Steam. Okay, I might have a look. I think they are on HBM next. Not sure, bro. Oh, yeah. How long have you been carving? Blender? Since I was 12. I'm now 34, turning 35 this year. Yeah, turning 35, my bro. Unk status. Okay. You will probably be good at the game as you have the patience. Oh, for the Wraiths one? Where did you get the ideas of the keys that come from? Oh, bro, I'll be honest, bro. Like, a lot of carvers have done many 21st keys over the years. This is just the basic shape, bro. Just the manaya on one end and the key shape on the other. That's pretty much all I'm doing. We haven't actually done the key section yet, but I'm just doing the harder part first. Or, you know, the part, it's not hard, but the part that needs the most time, pretty much. Beautiful Sir Respect. Thank you, brother. Best game by far was Return of the King. Yeah, bro. I remember spamming that game. My cousin got it, but he went to a party. Yeah, he went to a party and yeah, he went to a party and when there was a fight, he was inside still. He just come out of the bathroom and he saw Return of the King on the shelf, and he took it. So yeah, that's how we played Return of the King. My cousin did a bit of a fast one, and yeah, acquired said disc so we could play Return of the King. And it was some of the best memories I had too, jamming that game. So yeah, what a stink guy, eh? Bro did the DPS tactic while the tank and the others are, you know, while the tank and the others are worrying about the battle. Bro's ninja looting. Bro is ninja looting. So yeah, that's yeah, how we jam Return of the King. I don't think they ever knew, or I don't think it was ever brought up too. So I was like, oh, well, I'm having fun on it. As a young fella. Go. Cheeky bugger, not while at the parties, I know, eh? What a huckmuck guy. There we go. Heard they're remaking the Lord of the Rings game though. Which one? I know the doing a remaster on their turn-based one. I saw it on Twitter this morning. War in the North? Is that it? I think I remember playing that one ages ago. Oh, it came out today. Oh, true. Yeah, I remember. Wow, who did I like the most? It was the dwarf, I think. Also, guys, when I was chilling out last night, I was thinking of hitting some nostalgia, eh? And a certain character came into my mind while I was thinking about this, and it was the main man himself, Arctics from Adventure Quest, and I didn't end up jumping on because I was too tired. But is Adventure Quest still a thing? I would imagine it's deader than a doorknob these days. I'm rewatching the Eps and the scene came up. We have to come down for the Dragon Queen. Oh yeah, yeah. One thing I want to start watching too is Rings of Power. Yeah, I haven't seen them. I haven't seen them at all. I don't know if it's any good or what it's like, but keen to check it out. Also, guys, I got access back to my my YouTube gaming channel as well. Finally got it back after forgetting my password. It's nothing too crazy, but yeah, I just uploaded a couple shorts on it yesterday. Just all the E-Day ones and just a few others. Start a loan series, just don't read the books. Oh, really? That bad? Ooh, hold on, chat. There's this break right here that I want to be careful with. Yo, does anyone get the mad intrusive thoughts while they're driving? Yo, morning Ed. Cheer my bro. Any pulls? Any pulls? Or are we taking a break? IRL Gears of War. I was driving yesterday and there's like a hood red bike culture that's in the city at the moment. Not so much motorbikes, but you know, just normal push bikes. And fuck, my intrusive thoughts were because they were riding onto ongoing traffic. And my intrusive thoughts were far. If they were still doing this in the 90s, bro, my grandfather would have just went straight. And his single, the words I know he would have said was, "The road's for cars." Yeah, because they were like riding into ongoing traffic and everything and swerving. I was like, bro. Get under my bro. It's pretty crazy, eh? How long you been working on this piece? Oh, geez. Timeline-wise, I can't really say off the top of my head. Ordered a couple of packs, but I need to take a break in case I get any more OP. Oh, hey. No, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Those Hobbit ones are mean, eh? They're cool. One of the bros' mates pulled that Smog card over the weekend. Just from a random pick, I was like, damn. And it looks clean too. I'm glad all the dwarf cards look cool, eh? Yeah, seen some riding around here the other night doing stupid things and get stupid results. Yeah, it's gonna happen soon, bro. You're such a talented human being. Thanks, brother Joseph. The book cover one. It's a gold one and it's got him in the middle. And he looks ugly as hell. Yeah, it was a gold one. Yeah, someone pulled that. Did you see that the creator of Path of Exile in his Magic the Gathering collection? And the amount of like Black Lotuses he had? Brother. Because I know Black Lotus is you know, quite a desirable card by most within Magic the Gathering. Only 500 of them printed. Holy shit. Yeah, she just pulled it from just a normie pack. And it looks clean too. So all we're doing is just prepping all our sections first before we go over it all again and do these fill-ins within these gaps, okay? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 of them to do, okay? 36 sections to do. Light work. Light, simple work, guys, but yeah, will all help with the design as well. You read the latest chapter? Nah, I haven't actually. What happened? Oh, actually, no, don't say, because there's people that watch One Piece that don't read it. Okay. Yeah, so we'll just prep all of these for now and then come back to it. Was it main chapter? Now I'm gonna have to move this back so I can work on the head now, okay? Just need a little bit of space for myself, that's all. I'm not sure how long I'll be streaming for today, guys. My mum has asked me to was just like giving him shit, eh? I do have to take my mum shopping today, but I will try and get some big progress in. Yeah, my mum's asked me to take her to the supermarket today. Actually, before we carry on, let me go and put my switch on the charger so I don't have to wait. Sorry guys, I gotta be prepared, eh? Gotta be prepared. Because I normally just sit in the car and then when I'm sitting in there not doing anything, I fall asleep. I end up just crashing out. I'm that guy who just fall asleep doing nothing. It's copper bullying, eh? Oui. Yeah, who knows if I don't read tonight, Chad, we might play Overwatch because Demon got released today. We get to get some content for Demon. Yo! Dinkelberg! I see you, good sir. Thank you very much for the brand new tier 1, Dinkelberg. My brother. Thank you, good sir. Welcome through, my brother. My name is Brox. I am a Maori woodcarver. I've been in this art form since the age of 12. There's a new tank on Rivals too. Really? True. Who is a Red Hood? I thought he'd be a DPS. Yeah, I'll be keen to check out Demon tonight if I'm up for it. Always love seeing you passed on by TikTok so much. 100% needed sub to you, my man. Oh, thank you very much, Dinkelberg. Thank you very much, my brother. Yeah, sorry for the lack of TikTok lives, my bro. But I appreciate you for coming through to the Twitch channel, my bro. Thank you, kind sir. Yeah, I should probably start doing some, going pretty hard on the TikToks, eh? That's hard, man. I'm trying to save for a dehumidifier for baby. But, geez, I'm off to bloody BlizzCon next month. really should be saving for BlizzCon too. Yeah, oh, so the Hood's a tank. Okay, interesting. I didn't even know that. He's voiced by Damian Priest, right? The wrestler? Man, he must sound suave as hell too. Oh, this don't sound like Oblivion, or is that just me? One moment. Because our house is half insulated, my bro, in the room me and my wife sleep in, it's very cold, and one of the walls always gets mold build up, so we wipe it down. We wipe it down once a week. We're in peak winter at the moment. But we'll get there, If not, you know, that's all good. But yeah, we stopped letting baby sleep in her cot. She sleeps with us now, because obviously I'm just a walking heater. So she can just get warm on us. One moment. Oi! Oi! Dinkelberg! Thank you very much for the 10 bomb, Dinkelberg. Well, here's somehow. Thank you very much, brother.
I need you to oil this
And
man
also
right
thank
now.
you, Burnt by Jim, for the raid as well. I did see that. Thank you very much for the raid. Welcome on through, everyone. And yo, Dinkelberg, brother, thank you, bro. Thank you, brother. Yeah, that's all going towards baby, my bro, not me. If you did get a gifted sub from Dinkelberg, please give the bro a thank you. Or glaze them harder than a Krispy Kreme donut. You know the vibes. I'll be honest, that's probably my least favorite flavor. Hey, thank you for saying thank you.
I need you to oil this man.
Thank you very much, my bro. And also, Kelly, kia ora. Hey, you need to cancel your sub on one or the other, Kelly. Because I know you're subbed on Kick too. Thank you very much, Kelly, for the resub for 3 months. Hope everything's getting better. Amihi kia koe. Thank you. And we are on a hype train as well. Jeepers. Thank you very much for the love, Father. That will definitely be going towards baby. She might make an appearance today too. She'll walk by. She's getting bored inside. She's an outside kid like our second daughter. Just less Donny Thornberry, I guess. Yeah, I don't know if anyone else has a second child that's very Donny Thornberry, but holy. Yeah, she's Donny Thornberry, but she can talk properly, that's all. That's the only difference. Thank you very much for the hype train, guys. And welcome everyone from Jim's Raid as well. Hope you had a wonderful stream today. Forgot to introduce myself. How rude. My name is Brooks. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. And I've been doing this since the age of 12. It's just what I love to do in life. Always will be, pretty much. But welcome on through. And if you have any questions about what I do, it's basically just, yeah, showcasing my culture on the streams. So at the moment we're kind of doing something a bit more modern. This is a 21st key for my nephew's birthday next month. Denny Lash, thank you for the follow on Kick as well. How's your morning going? Pretty good. Just some ushi trades this morning with the kids at their school. And yeah, now I'm home. Not freezing as hard today, which is good. I welcome not having numb hands in the morning. I'm just glad we ain't carving in -2 again. That was yuck. Always makes me think of Korg. Nice to meet you, brother. Oh. Gimme lashes a bot. Botting harder than Optimus Prime by the looks of it. Okay guys, it is 10 o'clock. It is now time for me to eat my 15 almonds, okay? Time to eat my 15 almonds. Whereabouts you from, Dinkelberg? I'm feeling EU. Yes, so we'll prep all of this. And then we'll run it. Oh, Netherlands. Oh, kia ora, boy. Kia ora to the Netherlands, my bro. Okay, almost done. Okay. My goal right now is I want to try and get this face done. Oi! Thank you very much, Kelly, for the 1,000 biddies. Oh, kia ora. That's enough now. Save it for the tamarikis. Thank you. Hey, thank you for saying thank you to the Barry Dinkelberg. Thank you for the 1,000 biddies, Kelly. Thank you, Kelly. Aroha mai god. I'm munching on some almonds while I'm carving. I don't want to talk and then they fall. My yap too hard and egg minute almonds on the carving. That'll be embarrassing. Yeah, we're gonna look at getting our windows and our rim glazed as well. We're just gonna do it anyway. I know it might the landlord may not like it, but hey, our daughter will like it. Almonds in the microwave with a little bit of salt. How long do you put them in the microwave for? That actually sounds pretty good, eh? With some hot honey. Man, I just ate them. I can't have some more till tomorrow. Hang on. Fuck, where's my phone? I'm gonna take a screenshot of it. Oh shit, hang on. Going against the grain. A minute or so, they just need to be warm, not scorching. Yeah, yeah. Interesting. Yeah. We, there's some bloody, double glazing sheets that you can get for your windows. So we're gonna get some of those. Just to help out with trying to keep the room warm. Yeah, this is not Skyrim, this is World of Warcraft. Sorry, I stand correction. This is The Witcher. Okay. Okay, so all I'm doing is just prepping for these fillers, okay? So that's something else I'm doing right now. Smash that out. Someone's told to hurry the fuck up in car language. There's a lot of beeps. Okay. Koki meke tēnā koe Wills. Yeah, getting there, my bro. Some relaxing work, I would imagine. The Doom Eternal soundtrack would really work for this. Oh, I'd probably vibe to Doom, I won't lie. Yeah, War in the North. Yeah, War in the North got reworked, my bro. The turn-based one. That was yeah, that was an oldie, that one. I need them to just redo Twin Towers and Return of the King. Those would be nice. Joe, brother Chris, how are you, my bro? Oh, someone loves me. That's a first. Oi, I got 2 messages. Oh, my mum's coming to town. Okay. When she gets here, then we'll finish up. So yeah, we're not gonna be doing our usual long stream. My mum wants me to take her to do shopping. She doesn't own a car, so gotta take her. Take her to help out and do her stuff. Hey, we might try and come back later tonight. I'll either read or I'll either read or check out the new Overwatch update with Demon. Because she looks like a fun tank. Back to mahi for me. Nā mihi, have a good one. Hopefully mahi goes by fast. Oh, someone's outside. Kia ora. Kia ora. Hi. 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 How mai tēnei tā? Ringa ringa? Yeah. Kei te aha koe? Hey? I don't know. Kei te aha. Kei te haere koe te hi koe. Are you trying to be blind? Hara mai tēnei tā? Hara mai? Hara mai? And come out. Come this way. Wai o tērā. Hey. Hara mai? This way. Ara mama.
Hey.
Ara mama. Haere pēnei. Ka kite. Bye. Bye. No? Thanks, Buddha. Cheers, my bro. That is my youngest. Mine and my wife's youngest daughter. She's off for a walk. Kōrero Maori with the yeah. Oh, when she was born, eh? That's the first thing I wanted her to hear from us, te reo Maori. I wanted her to hear her own language being spoken first before anything else. And obviously, you know, she's bilingual, so she understands both. But yeah, that's the baby. So I just had to change the angle so I could work on this side. Yeah, she turned 1 in April, so yeah, she's growing up fast too. Bit too fast for my liking. And my big girl just turned 8 on Monday. Yeah, they're growing up very fast, mine and my wife's kids. Very fast. Bloody attitudes as well. Holy shit. Goat cameo appearance. Yeah, she's a little adventurer, eh, for her age. Just loves being outside, hates being inside, and I love that. Obviously, one of my main goals in this day and age as a parent is, you know, not to raise iPad kids. That's obviously the main thing for me. Is yeah, I don't want them to, you know, be in front of screens all the time. They got a whole bloody world to adventure in. Yeah, so my second and my youngest, they're real outdoorsy kids. My eldest, she's a bit she's got a bit of a soft nature too. She's a bit of a Mother Hubbard too for her siblings. And her cousins, her younger cousins too. She's just a kid that loves to be around her family. But she loves her kapahaka, you know. Kapahaka loves her culture as well. Loves performing. So just trying to, you know, capitalize on their passions as well. I'm trying to get into boxing too because she's got a heavy punch, man. Gonna have teenagers on your head. Yeah, my bro. Fuck, I'm dreading that, eh? Dreading that. I mean, I wasn't a bad teenager. I mean, I went to parties, you know, But, I wasn't dumb like my older cousins and got caught. I was like, you should just suck at sneaking back in, bro. Okay, there you go. Ooh, she's a bit brittle. Cross grain things. Hold up. There we go. Yeah, trying to just get as much progress as I can for you guys today to see. Since yeah, I'll have to dip out a wee bit early just to take my mum to do shopping. Sorry about that, guys. Hope that's okay with yous. So is there a specific design you are following, or is it just winging it? So the design that I'm doing is Rapi Rapi. Yeah, that's the name of this design as a whole. So a lot of the designs that we have in our culture are kind of just set, really. And I'm just following the flows of the mold, eh? That's all I'm really doing, is just following the flow of the timber. Or the shape that we've done this manai in. So it kinda, to me, it sets itself. I just know how to draw the flow, you know, the meanings behind it. Like with Rapi Rapi, so it's one of my favorite designs. But it can also represent, you know, the coming of two entities together. That's another thing it can represent. One of the main reasons I'm doing Rapi Rapi as well is because I can get it done fast and we can get back to our other work. Because my cousin was like, oh, can you do Hoi Hoi Pakati? Now that design is a more difficult design, you know. It is a bit time consuming. And I said, no, you'll get this. It's like, oh, okay, yeah, all good. You're trying to tell me what to carve? For all I know, I'm just getting a hug as payment for this. It's one of those family jobs, guys. Yeah, it's one of those family jobs, so it might just be a handshake, or a nod, or just a thank you. Now you know why I don't like doing 21st keys. Nah, for my little nephew though, I'll do it. Like, I don't mind. Not really expecting anything from it. So my cousin had asked me, he actually it's part of my upbringing too. So he would babysit me all the time when my mum had to go and you know, do like shopping runs and all those things. He always looked after me. So that's why I was kind of like, yeah, all good, I'll do it. Yeah, so at the end of the day, I don't mind. Because of what he done for my mum when I was young. My daughter's getting mad because she's not allowed to eat dirt. She always gets fucked off when she can't eat stuff off the ground. I'm like, bro, shush the mouth, eh? What happens if you make a mistake? Well, so there's ways around this. So if I was to make, you know, a slight error over here, I have enough timber to shave it all down to redo it. Say there's no timber and it's unsavable, you can do an implant, cut out a box and like gorilla glue it in, whatever glue you may use, shave it down and redo, or just leave it there. Yeah. One slogan there was always, one quote that was always said within the carving school is, we don't make mistakes, we make adjustments. Yeah. Oh. She's trying to eat grass now. My internet may disconnect, guys. Hey, don't bite the cord. Ah. Hi. Hello. Can you not follow the internet cord? You're going to disconnect my stream. Stop. Here you go. Hey. Hi.
Hi, bro.
Yeah, hi, stream. Ka koe rākau. Hi. Oh. Kei te pai? Pai tō rākau? Did you whack my computer? Or laptop? High five. High five. Hey. Chop.
Baby, high five.
High five.
High
Yeah,
five.
high five me. Hey. Ka pai.
Oops.
Nā ka hea pāpā ki te hiri wēnei ki roto i te ipupara now. Yeah, huh?
Make a mess.
Papa's trying to work before your nan gets here. I'm gonna finish early because she's coming in to do shopping. Hey. Yeah, huh? Can you stop making a mess?
Get it.
Okay, beep. Hey! You're spreading all my chips I sweeped up everywhere. Oh, Go Penny, go like this. Baba. Okay. No? There's people waving out to you in the chat. The little giggle, yeah, that's her, my bro. She's cheeky. Ne. Whakatoi ki koe, ne. Oh my, don't need it. Just come out here to make a mess. She has a stick. Yeah, it's a pretty good one, eh? Are you done? No? Oh, kia ora. Who's there? Kia ora, Oka. Well, I hope you have a wonderful stream and may shopping with your mum go well. Same time for me to go to bed. All good, brother Dinkelberg. Thank you for the gifteds and the sub tonight today, sorry. Or tonight for you. Can you stop picking up the wood, please? Thank you very much, brother, and you have a good sleep. Hey. This cameo has gone on long enough. Kei te wehe ia.
She's getting challenged apparently.
Oh.
This lady, they reckon will be the new leader.
Oh, te roha. Abuse. Hey. Hey. Can you go away now? Yeah. Can you go away now?
Come on. Oh, okay. Fine.
Brother, this is not Daddy Daycare stream.
Just carry on.
No, no, I might bump into you know me, bull in a china shop. I was planning on having this face done today. Okay, she's over there, maybe I can get some hits in. Okay.
No. Wait,
Oh, go wash your hand. Let's see.
yes, I know.
Go wash your hand.
Come on.
Oi! Bro. Go to mama. Allez, mama. Papa.
Papa. Come on. Carry on, she's alright.
Yeah, I know, but I might bump into you.
You.
Oh, shit.
Good deal.
Guess what, darling? Dad won't teach you this. Because he was taught traditionally. No, I can't do it with you around. This feels wrong.
She's got that brush again.
Oh,
Oh,
hey, stop touching. Get.
come on. Come on. Wanna eat it? Wanna eat it?
Nah.
Ta? Ta in it. Ta in it. Komata ine. Arai.
This won't work. Hang on.
Whakairo.
No, not.
Here's your real fry.
Yeah, ready?
Don't fetch her.
Yeah, ready?
Nah.
Ready? Go. Easy. Easy distraction. That's how you do it, guys. Play fetch. Next thing you know, I'm getting cancelled. Yo! Thank you very much, Rewind, for the biddies. How are you, my bro? This is a peak stream. Oh, as long as you're enjoying it, brother. Sorry, production slowed down a bit there, but had to do the good old thing of fetch. Thank you very much once again, brother Rewind. Kia ora, my bro. Thank you. Thank you, brother. How are you, my bro? Would you become the supervillain at all? Or would you become a supervillain at all? Yeah. For my kids, definitely. Yeah. The ultimate supervillain, without hesitation, you know. I want my face to be branded in their minds traumatically for, you know, messing with my kids. That is what I would become the supervillain for them. Pretty much. Brox, do you have any recommendations for anyone planning on streaming alternative content on Twitch? Art history. I love your channel and respect what you're doing a lot as a creator. Yeah, I mean, for me, you already have a solid blueprint of what you want to stream. So I'd say you're already there. It's just a matter of, you know, what you're going to use. I mean, you can do everything on your phone these days as a starter. Or if you have equipment already, you're already away. But what I would say is, in this day and age, I feel like the best way to take advantage of the online space at the moment is through TikTok, eh? Definitely starting on TikTok first, growing your platform there would definitely be like a focus. I mean, you could stream for 2 hours a day, you know? Capture your clips or whatever you want to do for your channel and then upload them to your TikTok. The main reason why I say TikTok is good is because everyone's got it in the palm of their hand. Whether they're eating, sleep, or, you know, lying in bed, shitting, turning the TV on but using their phone. I definitely say, you know, to those that are wanting to start, utilize TikTok. Because you know, you can upload so many videos and, you know, there's the chance that one of them will, you know, pop off. So I definitely say that, do that as well. But judging by the looks of it, brother, you've already, or sis, you've already, you know, got an idea of what you want to stream, and also do it to how you want to do it. You know, there's no one that is more authentic than yourself. You know, instead of following someone else's blueprint, just do yours. Yeah, do yours. Yeah, I'll be honest, I'm still learning how to use TikTok. I just make the video and upload it and try and reply to the comments, but man, there's so many. But yeah, that's all there is to it, in my opinion. That's all there is to it, really. It's just, you know, staying true to what you want to stream, you know? Don't try and follow other people's blueprints, because there's billions of people around the world and there's only one as unique as you. And that goes to anyone that can hear me as well. So that would be the thing I would take it, you know, into mind when jumping into the creative space. Yeah, for sure. Have you been to the workshop? Any recommendations on? No, I have not. I want to. Yeah, I've not been there yet, my bro. It's down in Wellington. Hopefully one day, brother. Yeah, I'd definitely love to go to the workshop one day, my bro. Fantastic work. Thank you, FHA. Thank you, kind sir. Yeah, I was on a roll until the young one come out just to have a little bit of a geese. Now I've kind of slowed down, but it's all good. It's all good. Oi, who was that? Thank you very much to Big Angry Orphan. Oi, what's up again, man? Thank you very much for the resub, good sir. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well more than that. Most of all, sorry. Thank you for the 8 months. Sorry, hold up. Just going against the grain. Hope you're doing well, looking after yourself, and it's good to see you once again. How have you been? My mother did Canadian Aboriginal wood carving herself. Really? True. Wow, that sounds pretty cool, bro. It's one thing for me that I enjoy too is, you know, discovering new art forms as well. But also one other thing is just, I think my most favorite thing about being a streamer is seeing people from the community succeed in life. You know, outside of the stream. Yeah, oh, you're all good, brother. Yeah, trust me, I'll make it down to Weta one day, my brother. One day. But yeah, I definitely want to go down because I believe down in their workshop in Wellington as well, they do have some work that they did for Dota 2. Now, I don't really play Dota 2 anymore, but I played Dota 1 a lot. I used to skip classes to go and play Dota. Used to skip classes to go and play Dota, guys. Just started a new job and loving it. W-Mans, my bro. W-Mans. Love to see it, brother. Well done. Well done, my bro. That's beautiful to see, my brother. Have a feeling you will love it, especially the mask. Oh yeah, bro. I'll definitely check it out, my bro. That's what I've been wanting to do again, eh? Another mask. Obviously we don't wear ours, but yeah, I'm getting the itch to do another one. Getting the itch to do another one, guys. re mai rā, whakanuia. He mana tō te wahine, he mana anō no te tane. Also, guys, so yesterday I was at the gym and I was on the treadmill, and so I was on incline 13 with a speed of 3. Okay, there was this nanny that was going 3.5, so I went up to 4 just so I felt better. On an incline, by the way. I was like, hey. So yeah, just so I could feel better for myself. Just thought I'd share that. Anyone else do that? I was like, oh, fuck off. I'm getting outdone by the elderly. I'm a bit petty when it comes to stuff like that. I was like, oh nah, you're not gonna stand next to me and outdo me. Other little crosses, nah, that's just me marking it with a Phillips screwdriver so I don't have to clean the background anymore. Full time, yeah, full steam ahead, yeah. Bro, the elderly, they're guns, man. But yeah, I was like, hey! She wasn't breaking a sweat, because I was trying harder. No. Yeah, no sweats were breaking on her, bro. I was like, oh. Okay. Here's me sweating on back, shoulders, face, dripping down to the sea rack. It's a bit intimidating, eh? Gotta run to a meeting. No, you're good, Hick and Bones. Go to your meeting. Go to your meeting. You're all good. You're all good. I will see you next time, okay? Yeah, I just had to try harder than the elderly next to me, man, because I was getting toast. Curious if you've ever done any work on a waka? Nah. Never, my bro. One day, but nah. I haven't, my bro. Some Valheim. Damn. Yeah, no, I've done no work on a waka before. One day when walking to pick the kids up from the school, feeling like I'm walking fairly quickly, and had a little old lady Just power walk. It's the old ladies that go like this, eh? They walk like that. Fuck. Just noticed that. Saved. Oh my gosh. It's the old nannies that are like this, eh? They're like fully forward and this is their form. And then you're like postured out, trying to take big strides, and then you're like, fuck. I always get overtaken by those old ladies. It's like me, bro. I swear Gimli's my spirit dwarf, eh? When I go for a run. Just keep breathing. Oh. Yeah, bro, he's my spirit dwarf. He is definitely my spirit dwarf, man. Lino printing, double checked up 7:30 in the morning. Crazy. Lino printing. Oh, is that when they do a design and then they put that stuff on it? I think. I could be wrong. I remember one of my friends doing it. She doesn't really stream there much these days. Her name's Cryo Mira. I haven't really seen much of her streams lately. I should really try and have a day where I share some of the art I've gotten over my travels. One thing I always try and do is bring home a little piece of art. Like I'll probably do the same when I go to BlizzCon again. Go to the Hearthstone village. Get a little something. Get a little something, my bro. Yeah, so all I'm doing is just prepping everything. So there's kind of a 3 steps that we do. So the main design, the fill-ins, and then the butts on the ends, okay? So it's a bit of a three-step kind of design. So we're at the second step now, where we're just filling in all the stuff. Doing all the fill-ins. Guys, I just heard a big noise inside at the moment. Just a little something. I'm not gonna lie. Sorry. One moment. I'm not gonna lie. I take pride in being my kids and my wife's safe space, eh? I just thought about it now. It's something I'm really proud of. Like genuinely really proud of that, you know, my family's safe space. I was just looking at my wife and the baby now. Yeah, just a random thought I had. I have random thoughts all the time. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Yeah, just a random thought I had while looking at them. Like even for our older girls too. Genuinely take pride in it, eh? And I'll consider that a bit of a flex for myself. Thank you very much for watching today, guys, as well. Okay. I just want to try and get as much progress as I can before my mum turns up. Try and smash this all out whānau for you guys. Where are we? Okay, everything's good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two more. 5. 6. Take it right to that edge. One. Probably do another one in here, just 2. So we can add 3. Yeah, pretty straightforward design, Amarapi. If only they were all like that. You're an awesome human being. Ah, trying my best, eh? Trying my best. Even, you know. Ooh. It's crazy, man. It's crazy how casual It's crazy how casual people carry around the light bulb or the glass barbecue in public now. Yeah, it's crazy how casual it's becoming, and that's why I wanna move my family out of the city, more towards the outskirts. Oh man, I hate seeing it. I genuinely hate seeing that shit, Oh, that just annoyed me. See my like magic thing. Oh, cheers, brother. Oh, that was yuck to see. What's a light? What? You don't know what a light bulb barbecue is? Or a glass barbecue? So yeah. Yeah, it's disgusting, bro. I know, as a father, I won't be able to protect my daughters from all the bad in the world. There's some that they're gonna see, but I'm gonna try my best, man. Like when I went to my uncle's house, he stays kind of along the countryside of Rotorua. Like it's still within travel distance to the city, but where he stays, man, it's like trees, like a lifestyle block. It's I was buzzing. Like trees, like open plains, or like paddocks. They had neighbours, but they weren't close. They weren't all packed like sardines, like within the city, or even in the neighbourhoods within Rotorua now. Like all the new developments aren't, being spread out. They're going up, like the buildings, and they're packing as much people as they can into their one block. One, two, three. Yeah, oh man. It annoys me how common it is now. Genuinely. Yeah, man, seeing my uncle's house, it made me want it even more. Cause that's pretty much my dream. My last dream is just to yeah, get a forever home for me and my family. Nothing too crazy. I'm a simple man, and yeah, if we can do that for the kids and, you know, the grandkids, then I think that's cool. Okay, we've got to turn him around again. Yeah, I'm kind of working in overtime, or like double time. I'm just trying to, because I did say I want to try and get the face done or prepped, because I'm trying to stick to my, you know, my goals or my daily goals or stuff that I set for myself. So like if I say I want to get the face done, you know, or prepped, I want to get the face prepped, pretty much. It's like Bilbo said, it is no bad thing to celebrate a simple life. Hey, fuck, that's actually cool. Because that's just my dream, bro. Just to celebrate and live a simple life with my family. There are some hard-hitting quotes out there. I like that. I'll take a photo of that so I don't forget. Oh, still waiting for my mum to turn up, and she hasn't yet. She might have stopped in town to have some sneaky dumplings. One thing I need to get for myself today is a scale too, for my food. Start scaling it. Oh, sorry. Can we get a... Oh, I don't know about that. That's assault. That's like booking an appointment for your behind to get daily appointments in the pen. Yeah, like they did nothing wrong to me. It's just more so seeing it. I remember after lockdown, like lockdown had been cleared, and the one thing we couldn't do, or we could, but we chose not to, is just walk our kids around the neighborhood. There's just too much Scodies. There it is, all prepped. Did what I set out to do and conquered it. There you go. Bro, when you do those lines across the grain, is the chisel that stops it across the grain, is it the chisel that stops it from popping up? Yeah, pretty much that in control, my bro. You'll feel it as you go along, eh? Or you'll feel it and you'll see it. So if you feel like you're going a bit too far over, then just stop. But if you can't feel it, then you'll see it start to lift too much. So the best thing to do is just keep an eye on it, keep an eye on the chisel as well. You constantly give it your attention, my bro. Shirt. Bugger. Just some cracks in the wood from when we started, causing a little bit of a headache, but nothing we can't overcome. Nothing too out of our reach. Still got to clean up in here. Yeah, so all that's really left to do for these butts, I'll show you guys. So this is kind of what we got to do now. So basically, let's use this. One. Two. So we're just going to do all of this all the way over. Just prepping all these corners so we don't break them, okay? So we won't do this this section here too much because there's a crack in the timber right there. So we'll use a flat to take care of that one. but the rest should be fine to do. So now that we have all these chick cuts here. Hey, what up, Penguin King? What's up, my brother? So we have all these chick cuts here. So we are going against the grain a little bit. So we just want to be careful there. So the best way to combat ones when you're going against the grain, you can either use a skew or flat, okay? Just to clean up those edges. Yeah, so because we couldn't, you know, carry on this way with a V chisel, just switch it up and use a flat. My birthday just passed yesterday. Oh, happy birthday, my bro. Know the Neff is gonna love it. Oh, chew, yeah, well, geez, we'll have a lot done by the time he watches again. Happy birthday, my brother. Hope you had a good one. Hope you had a good one, my bro. Morning, Fourfinger, how are you? I'm over, but I'm ready to start designing. Yeah, bro. There's I keep in mind there our tupuna did high lines like these with flats too. You're good. You're good. Chair. Happy birthday, my bro. Hope you had a good one. Sorry I wasn't live yesterday. I ended up going to the doctors to give myself a health check. Just 'cause, pretty much, that's my reasoning. Feel like us bros, especially Maori in particular, don't really go for regular health checks. And since losing my tutor to health issues, I thought I'd, you know, go and give myself checked.
I need you to oil this man
Oi!
right now.
Yo! Mai Tai Mayhem, thank you very much for the 5 bomb. Thank you, my bro. If you got one of those, please give our bro a thank you. Appreciate you, brother. Thank you very much. Where are we? Thank you very much, my bro. If you got a gifted, yeah, thank the gifter, please. I'm glad you got to take a little break, even if it was going for the doctor. Yeah, my bro. So I don't know what the hell he had. And emphysema? Is that a respiratory thing? He had that in the Evil Sea. Cheers, Sean. Not even registered at a GP at the moment. Yeah, like I'm gonna say it now. I encourage anyone within the chats just to go and get a health checkup. Went to do my bloods and everything, and yeah. Just hope you don't find anything else. See, the guy goes, do you smoke? No. Do you do drugs? No. He's like, "Wow, you're like my first patient that said no to those." I was like, "Oh, well, I don't do them, so yeah." But the doctor I had, the GP, he knew me, not like as Brox, but he sees me at the gym all the time because he goes to the same gym as me. He's like, "Hey, I'm sure I see you at the gym." I was like, "Yeah, no, that's me." Jumped on the scale and oh, I've gained. He's like, "Oh, judging from what I've seen, it's more meat than fat." I was like, "Ah, talk to me like that." But hey, I ain't mad. Life is a joke, so is World of Warcraft, League of Legends, and also Valorant if you swing that way, but I don't. As someone that is in the medical field, I appreciate you encouraging getting routine health checkups. I have a hard time getting parents and my friends to get them. Yeah, bro. It's such a bad thing, like here, especially for males, eh? In our culture, like I'm alright. But it's that old school mentality, like that's what kind of got my grandfather too. You know, go and get checkups, and he was like, I'm alright. Next thing you know, brother carks it to a heart attack. Yeah, that's how my grandfather passed from a heart attack. And he was like healthy as, but yeah. Unfortunate for him. But yeah, I think the final straw for me was seeing my carving tutor pass. Oh, she is wiggly harder than a tooth over here. Okay, we won't touch this section. I'll get a super glue. Joe Ed. Yeah, bro. That's why I wanna encourage everyone within the stream. Go and get checked up. I know it's scary. Fuck, it was scary for me. Because I don't know if there's anything in my body as of now other than fat and food. But yeah, that's my reasoning for doing it is just to look after myself because, you know, I'm trying to be the healthiest version of myself for me and my kids too, because they deserve the best version of me. Artisan, thank you for the Optimus Prime, good sir. That's kind of the way I've been thinking about it now. Yeah, they deserve the best version of their dad. And I deserve it too. So yeah, it's been getting me going every day. Oh, not every day, I have a rest too. Yeah, like with all the weight that I've lost, some people asked me if I was on peptides. I was like, no. Like I pretty much told them I was just been on a calorie deficit since October. No peptides, none of that stuff. I know it's becoming a growing thing, but yeah, no peptides, just food and moving. That's pretty much my formula for myself that has worked for me. Yeah. Made me realize how fast things can change at the moment, eh? Things can change in the blink of an eye, my bro. Straight up. Take better care of myself. Yeah. Do you feel colder through the winter? You have no idea. What do you think? I got 3 layers on. I mean, I can have my vest open now, but bro, the nipples were hard in the cold through all those -1 streams last week, and they'll probably be hard again next week. It's like shit. I was like, losing weight is cool, but man, it sucks in the winter. It be sucketh in the winter, guys. Yeah, we'll leave this part alone because it's moving a little bit. So I'll just super glue that up. Just for a bit of security. Okay, which part can we do now? So I think we moved to the head, eh? Yeah, we'll move to the head. You remind me of Kamakona. Is that the big bald guy? Because I used to like watching Hawaii Five-0. Did he pass away? I can't remember. Hey, what's up, Dubboy? Yeah, my bro, when I lost a bit of weight, fuck, I noticed was how cold it is. Yeah, bro. And now I blew through around. Yeah, bro. Nah, because the winter streams in previous years, bro, I was tanking it like it was nothing. Like I was like, it's a beautiful day. Now I was like, holy shit. Inside stream? But yeah, I enjoy, you know, where I'm at now in terms of my health. And hopefully, you know, we can take it beyond where we are currently. One moment. How do you do through the summer, bro? Must be, yeah, a bit longer, my bro, because the sun's up a bit longer, eh? But still, you know, like within those school hours, I won't like stream games during the day if it's sunny, because it gets hot, eh? With how the world's going now, like the summers are gonna start getting hotter and hotter. Especially with their bloody hole over Aotearoa all the time. Why do we have to get the hole in the ozone over us all the time, eh? It's bloody hoha. Yo, what up, Syria? I remember the hole in the ozone from primary school at 25, bro. It's annoying, bro. 3 minutes. You're burnt. Wear a hat. You gotta play inside. Take a car door so you can wind the window down. Yeah, usually through the summer too, I'm sleeping on the ground in our room. And the back is soothing. I don't carve myself, but this is a chill vibe. Hey, as long as you enjoy it, my brother. Praise Akatosh, my friend. Unless you get into those other ones. What's his name? Sithis. That's his name, eh? The Dark Brotherhood one. Praise the mother. Yeah, we're going to be playing Oblivion next week. I've got a sponsored stream next week, guys. It's with Audible. And we're going to be jamming out to He Who Slays Monsters. On Wednesday. Yeah, so we'll be doing that. And I think I heard someone from chat talking about that book before. That's why I chose it. And I mean, I thought it fit well with that game. I feel like I'm gonna get distracted as but yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited. Hold up. Jeez, people love me on Facebook today. Looks less like wood and like clay. Cheers, brother. I mean, a sharp chisel does help. Does help, my bro. Oh. Yeah, so I'll try and get another stream in tonight. Yeah, it'll either be reading or Overwatch, because I want to try Demon today. She just got released. She's the new tank. I know there'll be a lot of insta-lockers, so yeah, I'll give it a go. But it depends how I'm feeling. If I feel like we should be reading, then we'll read. Almost done. Let's try and pump this up, and then we'll obviously come back to it tomorrow. Give it the one over, seeing if there's anything we need to clean on it, which there will most likely be because I'm fussy. Yeah, there's gonna be some little things that we'll have to clean, without a doubt. But I just want to get this this design all sorted. And there. There we go. Yeah, so tomorrow, like, the way we'll do it, right, is we will focus on doing, looking over the piece, like, the face one more time. We'll look over the face one more time. And, yeah, we'll look over this face one more time, clean up what I need to, and then we'll move straight into the arm. So that was my benchmark today, just to get the face prepped pretty much, so we can transition easy into the to the other section. Okay. Yeah. Solid. Solid as, chat. Solid as. How are we doing, guys? Everyone all good? Yeah, once again, the way I'm keeping my camera on the tripod today, because I can't find the base for it to hold in the tripod. Some sellotape. I used sellotape today to hold our gear in place, because I didn't want to be late. Yeah, I got a thing, man. I hate being late to anything in life. A big thing for me is being punctual and being on time. I've always hated being late. Always. I get it from I got it from my grandmother, their way of thinking, because of her. Alrighty. First time I've seen from start, and it's now, yeah, like we're almost finished on that section, my bro. The part that'll take the least is obviously the key section of it. That's like minimal stuff we need to do to it. Minimal wares. Obviously I'll stop streaming it when I gotta do my little cousin's name, pretty much. That's when I'll stop doing it. Yeah. I'm a new follower. I waited 10 minutes to be able to say there was a good song, by the way. Oh, which one? The Galileo one? Nice to meet you, good sir. I'll be honest, I forgot there was still on, eh? This is the on one. Where's the proper one? I don't know. Alrighty. Is our camera on the lean? It is on the lean, eh? How we doing, fam? Is everyone all good? Hope everyone enjoyed the progress we made today. Yeah, hope you enjoyed all the progress we made today. Once again. Yeah, that's it. All we've done. The keyblade inbound. Yeah, I'm probably gonna leave that nail in there. He can keep that shit. I'm not touching that with my chisels. And yeah, we'll clean up the back as well. Yeah, I ain't touching that nail. Hell no. We've found about 6 in this piece of timber. 6. Yeah, 6 of those little buggers in their timber. And I thought we got them all off too. But it turns out we didn't. Does the background that you did for the screwdriver, does that have a name? Nothing. Frosting it, I guess. Screwing it? Nah, nothing in particular, my bro. I screwed up. Hey. Screwing around? Nah, nothing at all, my bro. Usually when you frost the background you do it multiple times, so I might end up doing that still on that. Yeah, I might still end up doing it just cause I feel like there's too many gaps in the back of it. Can I suggest a song? I'm just playing game music because we're live on YouTube. That's pretty much the only reason why I'll play game music, so our VODs will be safe. And they can generate, you know, some sort of revenue. I should really post up long forms again, because my last YouTube video did quite well. You know, for the minimal amount of views it has, that's still heaps to me. Even 100 views is heaps. yeah, so I've just been playing. That's why I've been playing Oblivion the whole time. Just because, yeah, it's safe. It's just safe to play. That's pretty much it. There's nothing else to it. Come out now, and how do you clean the back? I'll probably, so the way I'll clean the back is I'll probably use a 5 or a 3 and just scoop it. Instead of trying to clean it and leave it flat, I'm just going to scoop it, scallop it and give it that kind of design and avoid the nail. So they can all draw on the back, you know, sign their names and whatnot. And yeah, oh, these other sections we got to clean too. Yeah, there's quite a few things we got to do, but you know, all in time, all in time. Alright. Alrighty, legends. What's going on with our laptop? Sorry guys. Alright guys, that's going to be us for today. I'll see you all, if not this evening, then tomorrow. But thank you very much everyone for the support. Mad support today. We just got over 700. So not far to go for baby. But all in all, I'm still grateful for the arohai. Thank you very much guys. Have a good one. And I will see you all, if not tonight, tomorrow, okay? See you later. And much love. Bye-bye.